Guys, to make this chocolate brownie recipe, what you're going to need is 225 grams of bittersweet chocolate. That's the chocolate I'm using. So you want 225 grams of that, and I'll split it into 2 bowls. I've chopped all the chocolate and I've heated this and melted half of that, and the other half I'm going to throw into the chocolate brownie mix. I've got 170 grams of butter melted. I've got 1.5 cups of soft brown sugar. You can use white sugar, you can use any sugar you like. I thought I might try it today with brown sugar to see what the consistency is. Got myself 2 eggs there at the back. I'm going to use a couple of teaspoons of vanilla extract. 95 grams of all-purpose flour at the back there is also incorporated with 30 grams of cocoa powder and just a pinch of salt. I'll put it all together and we're going to sieve that. That's what the sieve is there. Over to the back here, I've got my lined 8x8 square tin, and I've sprayed it as well so we can easily remove the chocolate brownie once it's cooked. And I've got my electric stand mixer. You don't need this. I'm just going to fluff it up in this. You don't need one. You can do it by hand. A hand whisk is absolutely fine. Okay, so the first thing we need to do is put our sugar in, and we're going to add our melted butter straight in. And we're going to put this on to mix now. And what we want to do is we want to whip this till it's nice and fluffy. So it's had a couple of minutes now, and what we're looking for is we want to change that colour, that dark colour, to a nice pale colour. Okay, now it's time to add our eggs. I'm going to add one at a time. Just incorporate that and beat them in. And then we'll add the other egg. And the mix now looks really nice. Okay, so that looks really good. I'm going to add my melted chocolate now, and we're going to whisk this through. And of course now you're going to see this lovely rich dark colour coming through. Now we're going to sieve in the flour, cocoa powder and salt. You just want to fold this in now nicely together. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees, and we're going to pop this in once it's mixed through. It smells fabulous. Okay, so we're going to bake this now into the oven, 180 degrees on a fan-forced oven for about 20 to 25 minutes. Guys, it's come out of the oven. It smells beautiful. I have let it cool down. I'm going to dust it with some cocoa powder and some drinking chocolate, which I've got here. About 1/2 teaspoon of each. I'm going to combine the two together. So I've got that cocoa powder, which is a little bit bitter, and the drinking chocolate, which is a little bit sweeter. Let's dust that over the top now. This is a gorgeous, absolutely dense, fudgy chocolate brownie. Just want to show you the inside there. And it's just breaking apart. It's so beautiful and soft in the middle, crunchy on the outside. The flavor of the chocolate is really delicious. You can cut this up any size you like. Thanks for watching, guys. Have a fantastic week, and I will see you next week.